Hey everyone, let's talk about something that's been a real headache for businesses still running on legacy systems. We know these old systems have been rock solid for years, but let's be honest, the underlying hardware, it's aging, it's costly, and at some point, it's bound to fail. So what do you do? Well, there are two main options: hardware emulation, also known as lift and shift. This lets you move your existing applications to modern hardware without rewriting any code. Basically, it creates a virtual environment that mimics your legacy system, just on more reliable and updated infrastructure. Full migration, where you replace the entire system with something completely new, rewriting applications, transferring data, and setting up fresh workflows. Now, both have their advantages. Emulation is faster, cheaper, and minimizes downtime. Migration, on the other hand, opens the door to long-term innovation and scalability. But here's the big question: which one is actually the better choice? That's what we'll break down in part two. Stick around because the decision might not be as straightforward as it seems.